In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make YOINK basses. Let's go! You've likely heard this bass used by dubstep artists such as SKRILLEX and Virtual Riot. It's a metallic bass that can easily add flavor to a song. To begin, you first have to understand what filtering is. If you're unfamiliar to bass sound design, one of the key elements to giving basses life and character are filters. Filters are used to carve out frequencies in your bass, giving them interesting tones and movement. So here I have a standard solid and vital. To shape the sound, I'm going to take an EQ and cut and boost random frequencies. So here's a saw wave without the EQ. And here's a saw wave with the EQ. I'm going to take one of these notches and slowly sweep through the EQ. Different filters will produce different tones in your sounds. Go ahead and try out different filters in your EQ or synth and notice the distinct tones that each of them make. Learning the ins and outs of filters will not only allow you to create yoinks, but also any type of bass. Okay, let's get started. First, let's find a cool wavetable we can play around with. Ooh, that's cool. Let's bring it down 2 octaves. Nice, okay. We're going to start off with changing the mode to envelope and creating this triangle-like shape. Then we are going to link the volume of Oscillator 1 to this envelope. So we get a short sound like that. Let's also link the position of the wavetable so we can have some movement. Nice, okay. Next we're going to turn on a second oscillator, turn the volume all the way down, and FM Oscillator 1 to Oscillator 2. Now we're going to link this knob to this envelope right here. Just adjust that a little bit. If you want, you can also change the wavetable of Oscillator 2. Feel free to also change the pitch of Oscillator 2 as well. To make this a bit wider, let's turn up the unison of Oscillator 2 and turn down the detune a little bit. Going back to LFO 2, we can also attach the pitch of Oscillator 2 to this LFO. Next, we're going to turn our filters on. I'm going to switch a filter to 24 dB. Just add a little bit of high end like that. And just like with the Oscillator 2, we're going to attach the cutoff of this filter to this envelope. It's already starting to sound like a yoink already. Now let's turn on an equalizer. This equalizer right here will act as another filter, since you can also make peaks in it, like this. Just move that all the way up. Make a high pass like this, and add a bit of resonance. And you see this cutoff knob right here? Also attach that to LFO 2. And then go to this middle knob right here. Click it 2 times so it cancels out. And turn up the gain. This should create another peak. Adjust the resonance to how you like it, and also touch the cutoff knob to the LFO. Now let's add a compressor. Let's add some distortion. And now let's add some delay. Turn the delay up to as high as you can, and turn the feedback down. This should create a metallic texture. Now let's add a chorus to widen the sound a little bit. Here's your yoink. Before I end this video, I'd like to say thank you to those who've been sticking around my channel. Making these types of videos are incredibly time consuming and requires a lot of planning. For you new viewers, feel free to check out my channel. I mainly post music, but I will occasionally post videos like this here and there. Anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.